Hey, good day folks, it's been a while since I whipped out my camera, but today we have something really exciting on our agenda and I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do today. So today that's exactly what we're going to be getting on to. We're going to be able to take a helicopter for the very first time, given the good weather. So I'm really excited for it. And we're going to check in right now. The flight's at 12:30. I'm here at 11:45, 45 minutes before flight. And let's go. Exciting. So we've checked in, just waiting for the time. About half an hour before the flight time is when the safety briefing is, so we'll head back in about 10 minutes. But for now, I'm just enjoying the sun and getting ready and psyched up for hopping on one of those. So we're all set. I've got my wristband and we're gonna be heading off soon. I'm so excited. First time on a helicopter. I'm not nervous. I mean, I'm sure it's really safe and this is an activity that lots of tourists come here to do. But not everyone gets the chance to do it because the weather here is just unpredictable. And even though it's summer, it can be rainy, I would say half the days, 50% of the day. So it really depends on your luck. You could have booked a flight on a day. If the weather isn't good, too windy, too rainy, too cloudy, it's not gonna run. So it depends on your luck as well. So I've been here a long time and having all the stars to align, finally I'm able to get on a flight today. So yay! I don't think it's a very long flight. What I've booked is the 45-minute package that includes a flight there on a helicopter and a flight back on a ski plane. So 2 different modes of transport we'll get to try. And we'll be able to land on a glacier as well. It'll be something really special. Today is really good and sunny day.
Over there, please. Shoulder.
Thank you.
There you go. Straight over the shoulder.
Oh my gosh, this is where the Tasman Glacier meets the Tasman Lake. Oh my goodness. It's the first time I'm seeing a glacier from above. Oh my goodness, it's just stunning. The flight now follows along the Tasman Glacier. And we're starting to see some snow. The views from up here are just out of this world. The landing zone is now coming into view. Snow on Tasman Glacier. Apparently there was fresh snow yesterday night, so we're walking on some fresh snow, and beneath us is rock and ice Tasman Glacier. It's such a cool experience to be walking on a glacier and looking over a glacier from the top. Can get slippery because it is ice. So we're making our way now to the skiplane. And these planes basically can land on snow.
Hey, going?
Hey!
G'day. Come on out. Stand up first, Roots. That's it.
Thanks. That's it. What an experience, guys, to be on a helicopter and plane.
Yeah, you too. See you later. See you
Thank you
later.
so
Bye-bye.
much. It was a great experience. I'm so happy I did it. Got a chance to do it. Wow, that was such an incredible experience, guys. First time on a helicopter and first time on a ski plane, on a little plane with one propeller in the front. But it was actually really smooth. That plane landing was like the smoothest plane landing I've ever had. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.